So, welcome to my live. First of all, I just check my microphone, then we start our today's project review. Welcome to my live. First of all, so my microphone connection is okay. So I set some red packet for my community member because red packet give you more motivation. So just hold a minute. So hello everyone, this is Kulam Bapani. Welcome to my today's live session. So today we discuss about a new project review, which name is CrossFi. This is full name is Cross Finance, which means Cross Finance. FI means the finance. So here you see that first of all we discuss about a short information of this topic, then I discuss a huge and details information about this project. So now we start our today's live session. I hope all you are well, so just stay tuned with my live session because if you stay with my live session you can achieve a huge information about this project. So don't miss my today's live session in any moment. Here the project name is CrossFi. The FI means is the finance, which means the cross finance. And you see that the supporter of the cross finance is about 65,400 and 460, and the progress is about 6,58,248, and the total rise of the USDT, which is about 30,000, which is really a huge amount of rise money in this project. And you see that this project trading time start in just 4 hours 3 minutes and 31 seconds, and the available share, because I am in the VIP one, so here it show me that how amount of share I can get from this project, and my share amount is about 20%. So if you have a higher level VIP, you see that the VIP level, current VIP level available 20 share. So if you have a higher VIP level, then you can share, your share is also give you double. And if you are a non-VIP, then you can select by the randomly token. And Crypto Luck, thank you Crypto Luck for your lovely react to my video, and thank you for joining to my live session, and thank you for supporting me, my friend. And here we just talk about the XFI, which means is CrossFi or cross finance. Just we now write the short information about this topic. And here are the CrossFi chain is a groundbreaking blockchain that provides an inclusive next generation solution that bridges split and cryptocurrency seamlessly. So it is a blockchain that provide an inclusive next generation solution that bridges split and the cryptocurrency seamlessly. So it is a good bridge project for the cryptocurrency. And here the featuring innovation non-custodial payment technology, which is means the non-custodial payment technology. It is a technology where user mainly full control of their fund while enjoying unparalleled access, transparency and convenience. So the non-custodial payment technology is very well for us, because in this payment the user maintain the full control of this fund while enjoying unparalleled access, transparency, and convenience. And the CrossFi brings true financial freedom and inclusively for all. And CrossFi, the main theme of this is change everything. This is their main voice, which is the change everything. And now we talk about the founder of the CrossFi. The founder is Alexander Mamasivikov. The Alexander Mamasivikov is the CEO of CrossFi and decentralized financial finance, which is short form is DeFi. So DeFi means is decentralized finance platform. So the Alexander Mamasevikov is a CEO of CrossFi, also the DeFi platform, and bridging traditional finance with blockchain. With deep expertise in the fintech and crypto, and Alexander lead CrossFi in building infrastructure and empower user to leverage both digital and traditional asset through innovative solution through innovative liquidity solution. So this is all about the information about the Alexander Sivikov, which is the founder and CEO of CrossFi as well as the DeFi website. And here you just see here the information for the startup. So you don't need pay any money for purchasing this price for purchase this, but for claiming this startup you need to at least $10 in your spot wallet. So if you have available $10 in your spot wallet, then you are able to claim this startup without any cost. And here you see that the startup supply, which is about 41,096 XFI, and the 100% token is unlocked in the unlock rule, which is a very good. And now we talk about the highlight and vision of the CrossFi. So the main vision are introduced in this some sentence, and here you see that the CrossFi eco means the CrossFi and cross finance ecosystem offer a non-custodial payment solution, and non-custodial payment solution is a solution in where full control are full you see that full control of their fund will be enjoying unparalleled access, so full control to us of our payment. So the non-custodial payment advantage is this, and the solution giving user full control of their fund with transparency and convenience, and include pool of tools such as, so it includes some pool of tool, and which is the first of all the CrossFi chain. And CrossFi chain vision is a scalable layer one blockchain with unmatched speed. And the CrossFi app vision is a Web3 TradFi unfied DeFi platform for diverse activities. And the X assets a decentralized hub for the synthetic token minting and trading. And the last of all, the website, this is also a part which is X Stack main vision is an omni-chain yield aggregator for stack asset. So this is all about the vision of the CrossFi, which means the cross finance. And Emily, hi dear friend. Hello Emily, for thank you for joining to my live. Thank you for joining to my live, and I hope you stay with my live session. And here we talk about the token economic. In the token economic part, token economic part, you see that the XFI is a liquid asset that will be used and open access to all product and service of the EVM part of the CrossFi chain, and give unique opportunity in the CrossFi X app. It is also a means of payment along with fleet fund in the CrossFi app. So this is the token economic. And here the technical overview. The Cosmos based part of the CrossFi is responsible for consensus, then the production, then verification of blocks, then transaction creation, then the new coin emission. The EVM based part of CrossFi is responsible for. So there is two part. One is the Cosmos based part, and the second part is the EVM based part of the CrossFi. So the Cosmos based part is responsible for the consensus production and verification of blocks and the transaction creation and new coin emission, and the EVM based part of the CrossFi is responsible for interaction with a small contract, then development of the decentralized application and achieving full EVM compatibility. So in the last here they talk about the token allocation in short, and the emission of XFI coin is designed for 20 year and has 5 stage XFI emission. So this 20 year is very huge amount and huge time, and the XFI emission is about 126,144,000 released during the uh, first to the fourth year and 5 coin per block. And the second position is 109,15, then 200 released during the fifth to eighth year and 4 coin per block. And the third is 75,686, then 400 released during the 9th to 12th year in the 3 coin per block. And the fifth position is 5457, then 600 released during the 13th to the 16th year, and it is per 2 coin block. And the last is 25, then 228,800 release during the 17th to the 20th year and a coin per block. So the token allocation duration is about 20 year, and they can allocate their token in the 5 stages. So the full allocation time making a very long. And Emily Kulamrappan, thank you, Emily, for your lovely comment. And oh, ma'am, hello, bro. Hi, oh, ma'am. Thank you for joining to my live. And what are the currency can you buy now? And Emily, altcoin fall asleep. Yes, Emily, altcoin fall asleep. Emily, what is the project? What is the project about? So, oh, ma'am, this is the CrossFi project. This is the CrossFi project, which mainly work for a bridge, work like a bridge, which bridge is a next generation solution for the bridge which bridge field and cryptocurrency seamlessly. So this CrossFi finance is as like a blockchain that is a next generation solution and bridge flight and cryptocurrency seamlessly. So it is a bridge for the cryptocurrency, and it also provide a non-custodial wallet, so the full control of our fund to us. So it is a very secure wallet created by this cross finance. So this is all about the cross finance in shortly. Now I give you the details information about the CrossFi, and I talk about now the CrossFi and the token name which is XFI. This XFI is startup participation rule. Now I can talk about, and here you see that the duration for this CrossFi and which is about 12 sorry 12 p.m. 19th November 2024 to 8 a.m. 2021 November at 2024, but it is the UTC time. So just convert the UTC time with your local time, then you calculate the time with your local time, and the order placed by qualified user within the subscription period will be treated equally. And the trading start at 12 p.m. to 21st November at 2020. It is also the USD time, and the trading pair is XFI slash USDT, and the fundraising goal is about 30,000 USDT, and the startup supply is 41,096 FI. So the supply is also a low amount. So you don't miss this CrossFi because it has, I think it is released and it will trading start with a huge amount of starting money. I hope it is greater than the $1. So we just see this in the 6 p.m. sorry 12 p.m. of today, and the unlocking role is about 100%. So the token unlocking role is 100%. So this is all about the cross startup participation rule. Now I give you the huge information and details information of the CrossFi project, and the information below is provided by the CrossFi team. So this information is provided by the CrossFi team, and the introduction is the CrossFi chain is a groundbreaking blockchain that provide an inclusive next generation solution that bridges field and cryptocurrency seamlessly, and the featuring innovative non-custodial payment technology. Users maintain full control of their fund while enjoying unparalleled access and transparency and conveniently. And the CrossFi brings true financial freedom and inclusivity for all. And CrossFi changes everything. This is their theme as like, which means is CrossFi can be sense everything. Now we talk about the more details information about the CrossFi. So first of all, you see that the token name is CrossFi or Cross Finance. FI means and FI full form is the finance. And the third is token symbol. The token symbol is XFI. So you can search in the Gate.io with the capital letter XFI. Then you found the Cross Finance token, and the max supply of this cross finance token is about a million in million, which is, you just see that this is a million number of the supply of the token of CrossFi, which is about 378,432 and triple zero. So the total supply is about 378 million, and the token type is the native token. This token type is mainly the native token, and the sixth position is the token contract is means NA, and the token distribution and unlocking rule. The emission of the XFI coin is desired for the 20 year and has 5 stages, and XFI emission 126,144,000 released during the first fourth year and in the 5 coin per block. Then the 109,152,200 released during the fifth to 8th year, and it is released by fourth coin per block. And the third which is 75,686,400, and it is released during the ninth to the 12th year in the 3 coin 57600 released during the 13th to the 16th year and the 2 coin per block. Then 25, then 228 800 released during the 17th to the 20th year, 21 per block. So we just make more info by this. We can get more info by this, and wait a moment. Wait a moment, my friend. Wait, my internet connection is some disturbing movement. So just give me few moment. Just give me few moment. I requested to you, my friend. Just give me few moment. So, so the all is ready now. So all is ready now, and I am again come back. And thank you for be patient with my live session. And very thank you to my community who are joining to my live session with very patiently. I am really very thank you for my two for my these people who make a patient in my live session. And my internet is some crazy movement, and so we are again clear of my internet connection. Then I am again come back. So now we talk about the more info, and with this website which is the XFI coin is a this is the logo, this is the logo of the XFI coin. This is the logo of the XFI coin, and this is a liquid asset. XFI is a liquid asset that will be used and open access to all the product and service of the EVM part of the CrossFi chain, and give unique opportunity in CrossFi X app. It is also a means of payment along with fleet funds in the CrossFi apps. And the XFI emission model, the XFI emission of the XFI coin is designed for the 20 year and has 5 stages. Number of the block based on the one block 5 second. So there is the block and 1 minute which is 12, then 1 hour, 24 hour, 365 days, then the 4 year. So they can allocated their token in just 5 stages. In the first stage in the 1 minute 20 second, then 1 hour 720. So then in the 24 hour they allocate 17,280, and then in 1 year they allocate about uh, 63 lakh and 700 to 7,280. And then in the last they can allocate about 25 million token in just past 4 year. Because you see that in the past 4 year they can emission their coin and release their coin in the 5 per block. And here in the first block, in just 1 minute they can release 12 token. In the first 1 hour they can release 720. In the past 24 hours they can release 1700 200 70,280. In the past year they can release about 63 lakh and 7,280 in the past 4 hour. And in the last stage, in the 5 stage, they can release about 25 million token. And the emission period 1 to 4 hour, coin per block is 5, and the token total XFI emission is about 1 to 6, then 1,44,000. And in the 5 to 8 hour they release the token XFI emission, and coin per block is 4. In the 9 to 12 year the coin per block is 3. In the 13 to 16 year the coin per block is 2. And the last which is 17 to 20 year the coin per block is 1. And the XFI emission is a huge amount which is 25, then 2 to 8 and 800. So this is all about the more info about the XFI emission. So now we goes to the XFI website. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How lovely this website is. You just see, my friend, how lovely this website is. And this website really a good attraction, and it really encourages me to make a good attraction. You see that there is many good software technology for this website, and the view part of this website is also very good. And now in the website, in the first page, there they tell that the crypto banking and the blockchain solution. So this is about a crypto banking, and they can give us a blockchain solution. And the explore the decentralized infrastructure of the service built on CrossFi chain on level 1 blockchain, then synthesize the advantage of the traditional finance instrument with the security and the transparency of blockchain solution, and use daily single crypto banking apps, and it dive into the spectrum of the decentralized finance and join the blockchain technology revolution by the CrossFi. So this is all about the CrossFi in a few details. And here in the downgrade we see that the non-custodial payment gateway, and the CrossFi provide a non-custodial crypto to fleet payment gateway to use crypto daily as quickly as fleet, and it linking banking processing to a web3 or web3 wallet directly, and you can always in control of your asset on a smart contract when the connect metamask of to the CrossFi account in the decentralized crypto banking app, and no access to third party, no regulatory oversight or CrossFi. And the each payment receipt include a hash of the transaction, which can be immediately tracked in the blockchain explorer, then the transparent on-chain decentralized. So it is a decentralized exchanger, and it is help us to make a solution of the crypto banking and blockchain solution. So if you are interested to secure your money in a non-custodial wallet, then you can choose the CrossFi chain because it is a trusted website with a good non-custodial wallet. And you see here the decentralized ecosystem of the CrossFi. So here the CrossFi decentralized ecosystem in the layer 1 blockchain. For the layer or blockchain, the explore the modular architecture of the CrossFi layer 1 blockchain, and the possibilities it's open up in the decentralized ecosystem. Discover our tokenomics, which is based on two native crypto coin and their connection, and the join the world of CrossFi technology. This is their theme also, join the world of the CrossFi technology. And here the theme of the CrossFi apps, because this has many part. One is CrossFi chain, another is CrossFi app, another is CrossFi foundation, CrossFi stack, and CrossFi X asset. So there is many part of this token. And the website website view is also good with a great technology and great software technology, great SEO in this website. So you can stacking your money and stacking your UID in the CrossFi non-custodial wallet, because in the non-custodial wallet the token access is only to you. No one can access your wallet because it is a non-custodial wallet. And this website is also very good, so you can taking your money in the non-custodial wallet after releasing this CrossFi chain. And here in the CrossFi X app, and this is a decentralized finance, and welcome to the universe to decentralized finance CrossFi chain. Take advantage of the advantage of multi-chain and become a liquidity provide and buy LP token for additional earning. And borrowing algorithm stablecoin XUSD and stack token or exchange coin in 2 clicks. And here the third position is the CrossFi Foundation. And the foundation, they can also give some details about the foundation, short introduction about the CrossFi Foundation. Now I try to write this short information about the CrossFi Foundation. So here you see that CrossFi Foundation is discover growth opportunity with the CrossFi Foundation, and FI mean the finance Cross Finance Foundation, and choose grant and incentive option open 24/7 for curious user, developer, builder and project aiming at the scaling the CrossFi ecosystem and charging the crypto world. So the CrossFi Foundation can charging the crypto world and redefining the financial paradigm together. And it is the introduction of the CrossFi Foundation. And here the CrossFi X asset, the X asset is in here. We can find out a decentralized platform which X asset that allows user to mine, trade and swap synthetic token representing real world assets such as commodities, stock or currencies, a wide range of financial products like margin and option trading. So it is also enabling user to access a broader range of the financial tool traditionally limited to the conventional market. So this is the main theme and main vision of the X asset. And the last we talk about the CrossFi stack. So here this is also a decentralized finance, and welcome to the universe of the decentralized finance of the CrossFi chain, and take advantage of the multi-chain, become a liquidity provider and buy IP token for the additional earning, and borrowing algorithmic stablecoin XUSD and stack token or exchange coin in 2 clicks. So you can stack token or exchange coin in just 2 clicks in this website. And this is the crypto banking app for the XFI. And crypto banking apps which is create a free crypto account and enjoy all banking service with web3 security and decentralized in the Signal crypto banking app, and pay with crypto online and offline with a physical or virtual debit card and send crypto by phone number globally. So by this crypto banking app created by the CrossFi, you can pay with crypto in online and also offline with a physical or a virtual debit card, and send crypto by phone number in globally, which means that all over the global you can keep your cryptocurrency by this banking of the CrossFi. And it is the CrossFi card. Order a free non-custodial on-chain card and use cryptocurrency directly from the MetaMask wallet, bypassing any third parties they need for the prepaid deposit and placement of third-party wallet, and use XFI all over the world without hidden fees. So you see that this is the CrossFi card. This is the CrossFi card, and you can use this card in all over the wallet. There is no limitation for access of this wallet. So if this is a comparison of our local wallet, because our local wallet just limited for our country, and if you can use a international wallet or international debit card, then you can access whole over the world. And this is also a international card. You see that CrossFi card, you can access this card in all over the wallet, and you can exchange your cryptocurrency by this wallet. And this wallet is very very important, and it is as like as the debit card, you see. And here is the blockchain ecosystem. Now they talk about the blockchain ecosystem. So the blockchain ecosystem on CrossFi chain refer to the integrated environment of technologies, protocol, and the participate involved in the functioning and development of CrossFi chain, which is a blockchain platform focused on the decentralized finance and cross-chain interoperability. And here you see that the wallet, then exposure, then product and service, and validation tool. So there are mainly four type in the blockchain ecosystem of the CrossFi, which is wallet, then explorer, then product and service, then validation tool. And here is the must media about CrossFi. There is must media, you can see the must media. This you can article or read this article or play this video. Then you see that there some social account link, GitHub, then Discord, Facebook, Medium, Telegram. This is their link. So I just open the blockchain now, and in the blockchain, wait a minute. So in the DeFi, we talk about the Web3 bank clearly. Now we talk about the DeFi of the CrossFi, and you see that in the DeFi of the CrossFi, increase your CrossFi experience and the advantage of the broader DeFi ecosystem. Increase your CrossFi experience and the advantage of the broader DeFi ecosystem. And you see that, oh my goodness, really really very very good. You see that this graphics is really very very good, and I really appreciate these graphics. And you see that the X app lets you swap breeze asset and acquire token and liquidity, and join our stacking program for CrossFi chain reward and extra platform reward for network transaction fee. And the feature guide, which is the feature guide of XFI, which is get XFI service to streamline the acquis- acquisition of the XFI token by leveraging sushi liquidity pools across chain through the bridge and enhancing cross chain intra interoperability and accessibility. And the function is parses XFI from any EVM compatible chain and transfer it to the CrossFi chain. And this is the get lpxfi. In here you can obtaining lpxfi, and is aim the empowered user to become liquidity provided by the contributing to the liquidity of XFI and USDT and XUSDT EMPX pool on the CrossFi chain, and stacked IPXFI will be eligible for the reward as explained in the stacking section. and the function is provide liquidity by depositioning XFI and USDT slash XUSDT slash EMPX on the CrossFi and chain to receive IPXFI token. Then you see that the get IPMPX, which is acquire the IBMPX, and it aims to empower user to participate as liquidity provide contributing to the liquidity of the EMPX and XUSDT, then the pool on the CrossFi chain and stacking LPMPX will entitle user to reward as expired in the stacked section, and the function is contribute liquidity by the depositing EMPX and XUSD of the CrossFi. So you can read this thing also, which is get IPUSD. You see, you can get IPUSD, you can convert USDT to XUSDT by this section, and this is the swap. In the swap feature is the tailored to grant user instruction access to the CrossFi native token, which can be utilized as gas on the CrossFi. So you can swap a USD to the XFI token, and this XUSD is used for the gas fee used for the gas fee in the CrossFi chain. So the XUSD is need for the gas fee on the CrossFi chain and for payment within the CrossFi app, and of the additional DeFi oriented purpose details further in the X app documentation. So this token, this XUSD token, you can use for the swap, you can use for the gas fee, and you can use in the DeFi oriented purpose, and which is details information in the X app documentation. And the swap tab streaming the process of asset exchange, ensuring promote the efficient transaction and function. The function of the swap, which is swap between USDT, XUSDT, XFI, WXFI, and EMPX exclusively on the CrossFi chain. Then this is the bridge. You see that this is the bridge. Here is bridge Ethereum to Polygon or Polygon to Ethereum, and the last is stacking. You can stacking the IPXFI token and make some bonus. And you see that the stacking selection serve as a central hub for user to monitor and manage their liquidity and stacked asset, offering and comprehensive offering overview of their holding within the X app. And with a simple tap, user can easily acquire the necessary asset to participate in stacking reward. And the function of stacking is stack IPXFI. You see that the IPXFI token to earn ESXFI reward. So you can, if you can stack the IPXFI, then you can earn ESFI along with additional W Ethereum reward. So after stacking IPXFI, you can able to earn EXXFI, which is converted to the additional W Ethereum reward, or stacking IPUSD or IPMPX token to receive additional XFI reward. So if you can stack this IPXI reward, then lastly you can get XFI reward freely. Now here you see that the blockchain, in the blockchain of CrossFi, you see that CrossFi chain is a layer 1 blockchain with modular architecture, and it consists of two parts. One is Cosmos and another is EVM, and you can get MPX or get FAI by clicking this. And you see here there are many parts in the blockchain, mainly 4 parts in the blockchain. One is CrossFi chain, CrossFi chain, and the CrossFi chain is very important. You see that there is really very good, and each part is responsible for its specific functionality, and it work in the compactly syn- uh, as a single organism. And is you can see that blockchain architecture. Here you can see the cosmos. Then you can click the EVM. It is convert to a EVM logo, and this is the cosmos logo, and is responsible for consensus production and verification of the block transaction and new coin emission. And the cosmos part is developed based on the TradeMind core and the cosmos SDX. So here you also see the CrossFi chain, which is the a layer of one blockchain consisting of two integral part, is the core of the cross finance ecosystem with unlimited scalability. And here you the in the Cosmos, what is the Cosmos? The Cosmos based part of the CrossFi chain is responsible for consisting production and block verification and transaction creative. And you see the EVM base part of the CrossFi chain is responsible for interaction with smart contract and achieve EVM compatibly. And the mind power, which is MPX, a mind power of MPX, a unit of the computing power required to mine XFI coin through stacking. And the CrossFi, which is a utility coin that provide access to all service and DApp and product launch on the CrossFi chain. And the last, which is the EMPX, which is a liquid EVM compatible version of the MPX coin. So this is all about the website. In the foundation, you see that in the CrossFi foundation, the CrossFi Foundation is a grant program in the aim to the developing the CrossFi ecosystem. And there is also some information in this section, which is CrossFi Foundation, then CrossFi Evolution Hackathon, then user developer and creator and validation. So this is all about the CrossFi website. I hope you can enjoy the CrossFi website because this is very good. Now we talk about the white paper of the CrossFi website. There is four doc file. One is CrossFi chain, another is CrossFi app, another is CrossFi chain, CrossFi X app, and the last of is CrossFi foundation. In the CrossFi X app, because this is very important, it is an app. So if we see the white paper in the CrossFi X app, then we can able to make a great information about the CrossFi and also make a details information. And so in the CrossFi X app, in the introduction, they told that, and they make an article which is welcome to the CrossFi X app, and innovative decentralized application at the forefront of bridging traditional and decentralized finance world, which is DeFi. And the X app is pivotal component of the CrossFi ecosystem, designed to harness the full potential of the cross-chain blockchain technology and create a seamless integrated finance experience. And it core the X app offer and array of DeFi functionalities. User can be engaged in the token swap, bridging asset across various chain, which is acquiring cross FI native token like XFI and XUSDT, and the participation in the liquid provision. Beyond this, the X app facilitates a robust stacking program on the CrossFi chain, enabling users to earn reward while contributing to the ecosystem efficiency. So this is the overview of the CrossFi app, and you see that in the getting start in the CrossFi app you can use Connect Wallet or MetaMask Wallet in the getting start. And in the future guide in the step by step, which is it the get if XFI, get XFI serve to streamline to the acquisition of the XFI token by leveraging sushi liquidity pool across chain through debris and enhancing cross-chain in interoperability and accessibility, and function which is purchase XFI from any EVM compatible chain and transfer it to CrossFi chain. So you can purchase XFI from any EVM compatible chain and transfer it to the CrossFi chain. And here is the swap. You can swap your token from the XFI to the XUSD by the swapping. And if I talk about the bridge, you say you can bridge your Ethereum to the Polygon, then XFI. And if also you stacking the XFI IPXFI, then you can reward at last in the XFI token. And in the reward distribution system, the reward distribution system is crafted to foster engagement and participation within the CrossFi ecosystem. Participant may be rewarded with ETAs, then XFI and the ESXFI. These rewards are issued as a direct benefit to users who actively contribute to the ecosystem and its vitality vitality and source of reward. Then you can write this thing, you can read this thing. Then here is the get reward. The primary function of the reward claiming feature is to allow user to extract the reward and a value accumulated earned through the stacking LM token, which is foundation reward, and the trading fees. And this function is initial to ensuring the contributor are daily compensated for their participation. So how you can claim this token in the reward IPXFI? You can claim this token in the W Ethereum, then it convert to the XFI token, which is the native token of the CrossFi app. And the escrow XFI stacking feature is crafted to provide user with an extra percentage boost in their reward and encouraging longer a term committed commitment and offering improved yield opportunity. And the function of the escrow, which is the begin the vesting process of the ESXFI reward to convert them into the XFI token, which can be then claimed. And the last, which is XUSDT, the XUSDT section allows user to borrow the algorithmic stable coin tier to the value of the US dollar and operating with the CrossFi network. This newly minted XUSDT token can be used for the various purposes such as storing asset of the parsing other token. However, if a user uh, drop below 300% of the mined USDT, then they can wait a moment. So then they can achieve a huge amount of XFI token and the technical information which is IXFI, then it is the IXFI technical information, you can read this thing. Then IPUSDT and IPMPX, this is also here some information which is important of stack liquidity. Then XUSD acquiring IPUSDT and IPMPX reward distribution, liquidity mining goal, and APX formula. In the last, the incentivize X app, and this is the sensi type X app, which is how to earn basic point. And here is mind the liquidate position for XUSD, become a liquidity provide for XUSD, use liquid stacking derivative and claim reward for stacking, send escrow XFI, and multiple point on monitoring of activity. So this is all about the white paper, and I already give you a huge details information about the XFI. Now here make some attention in this by the GetIO community. You see that please be noted that we may restrict or prohibit the use of all of the portion of the service, including the participation in this event, game, or competition, for restriction location, including but not limited to the United Kingdom, United States, America, Sudan, Norway, New Zealand, France, Bolivia, it is, and so on. And his the risk factor, we talk about the risk factor. The risk factor is the project team can does not guaranteed that token price will not be lower than its startup sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. So don't invest a huge amount of money because it is an initial product. Just invest a less amount of money, and the startup project is still in the initial stage. So factor including the operation are underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to the significant risks. Then the advanced technique and financial knowledge is required to understand the evaluation, the inherent risks of the crypto assets investment, and the market volatility is high, and the price of the token might fluctuate drastically due to the technical, regulatory, and market factor, and user may not be able to withdraw all the purchase token due to technical issue of the project or the GetIO. And in the require for the participation should register in the GetIO after login in the computer user identification verification, then deposit a certain amount of cryptocurrencies and sync the purchase agreement on startup before purchasing order. So this is give a huge information about this CrossFi startup, and there is some risk factor, and the risk factor I told you in before. Now I talk about the startup new participation rule, startup new update, and easier to claim airdrop. This update is only for the easier for claim airdrop. And here you see that GetIO startup is one. Now I talk about the GetIO startup. What is the GetIO startup? You see here for the GetIO startup. So what is GetIO startup? GetIO startup is the world's largest token launch platform where user can be discover potential project and participate in the startup subscription and receive token airdrop. Startup allocation token to user based on the share system. Eligible user can claim a certain number of share. The more share you can claim, the more token you receive. So this is the start. GetIO Startup is the largest token launch platform, allowing users to participate at no cost and explore potential project in their early stage. And here the main update in startup participation rule for the VIP user. So for the VIP user, there are only two updates. One is for airdrop project after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution. So you don't need sufficient balance after this update. And the second update is user who update VIP level by holding asset will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of the distribution. So they told that if you have a higher VIP level, then you can get a higher level of token. Now we talk about the VIP level, about the VIP free airdrop, and you see that there is mainly VIP 6, VIP 1 to VIP 16, and you see that the allocation in the VIP 1 level, VIP 0 level, it is allocated by the lucky draw for the airdrop in the startup. Then the VIP one, because I am VIP one, my available share is only 20, and for the VIP 2, for VIP 2 available share is 40, for VIP 3 available share is 100, for VIP 4 available share is 200, for VIP 5 available share is share is 400, VIP 6 800, VIP 7 400, 1400, VIP 8 2000, VIP 9 4000, and VIP 10 to 16 8000. So here if you have a higher level of VIP, then you can receive a higher level of token in distribution. And this is the update for the VIP user. So now they can also be updated for the non-VIP user. So the first position in the all non-VIP user with spot asset of no less than $10 can enter the startup page and claim the startup airdrop for free. So if you haven't $10 in your spot alert, you are not be able to claim the startup reward. And then the startup non VIP user participant in the subscription, where there will not will or they win or not will be announced after the subscription end, and user can check the result in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. So if you are selected in this token, then you can see this in the subscription history. And now your question, brother, where is the subscription history and how we can get the subscription history? For firstly, you can go to the startup. And how we can go to the startup? You just go to the startup here. You can go to the startup by clicking this. Then you can click the three dot menu, and sorry, you can click the more, and you see here there is the subscription history, and click the subscription history. And if you are received this token, then here you can see this token, then how amount of token you can receive in this. And you see that I can receive this token in my spot wallet. So the token number is show here from me. So you can also see this token if you can receive this token. So see that now you can go now in the third position. You see that non-VIP user are not guaranteed to receive startup airdrop token. Part of lucky non-VIP user will be randomly select for each project and eventually distributed the project allocation. So the non-VIP user is not perfectly the non-VIP user is not guaranteed for the token, because the non-VIP user is randomly select by the GetIO. Not They are not in the sure chance for the token allocation as compared as the VIP. You see here in the VIP 0, it is all about the lucky draw. So if you're not in VIP, you are not able to make this token with the sure chance. You can selected by a randomly user. and the token airdrop amount of non-VIP user will vary depending on the project, and the number of winning and the airdrop amount are not fixed. Please pay attention of the subscription rule. And for airdrop project, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution, and the airdrop token will be directly distributed on the spot wallet. So this token is directly distributed in the spot wallet of the non-VIP user. You don't give any money to the gateway for claim this, and non-VIP user who use startup voucher to join the subscription will have their voucher benefit prioritize startup voucher guaranteed a 100% corresponding share, but user will still need to hold spot asset of no less than $10. And here are some note, and the note is the previous rule when non-VIP user are guaranteed to receive 3 share of the startup airdrop has been abolished in the update. After this update, non-VIP user with sports asset of no less than $10 directly participate and receive airdrop if they win. So if you win, you can easily claim your token in your spot wallet. And here all existing subscription share rule for VIP user remain unchanged, and they are eligible to receive the airdrop with a 100% guarantee, and the higher level of the VIP, the more startup airdrop share you can subscribe. So if your VIP level is huge, then you can achieve a big share. If you have VIP 16, you can achieve 8,000 share, which is very big. And in the non-VIP user, participation in the startup will follow the partial winning mechanism, with the random selection of the user winning airdrop of the each project. Winner can be reported across different projects, and new rule that effect from the 2 August 2020 August 25 of the 2020. And where any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version, the English version shall prevail, and the data user reverts all right to the final explanation. So this is all about the note. Now I talk about the startup participation tutorial. So how you can participate in a startup. So you can see this video, but I already told you how you can participate. Go log into the gateway account, go to a startup page, hold at least $10 in your sport asset, then zero fee to claim GT hold, and claim GT holder exclusive airdrop. Log into the gateway account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 USDT, 10 GT, and hold GT claim. So there is two startup mainly. So go to the first of all, go to the get.io page. Go to the get.io page. You see that this is the get.io home page. Then go to the startup. And you see that there is many startup in progress. So there are two claim project. One is hold GT or hold at least $10, and you see that there is the hold at least $10. I already subscribed of this token, who is token is need for hold at least $10, and there is some project which is need which subscription is need for GT hold GT and about hold 10 GT in your spot wallet. And if you hold 10 GT, then you can just click this page, this area, and hold at least 10 GT in your wallet and click this, then the startup is claimed by you. And I already claimed this $0, so there is no click position for me. And if you are not receive and not claim the $0 startup, then just click here, because in here write a thing and write a button which is $0 claim in all. Then you can click this, and you can claim all of this startup project. and this is the startup participation rule. I hope you can understand this thing. And here is some risk warning for any startup, and the risk warning is the startup project is still in its initial stage. Factor in including the operation and underlaying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to the significant risks. So GetIO aware as that for the risk warning, we just read this risk warning. Then the advantage technical and financial knowledge is required to the understanding and elevating the inherent risks of the crypto asset and investment. And the last is the volatility of the market is high and the price of the token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factor, etc. And the user may not be able to withdraw all of the purchase token to due to technical issue of the project of the GetIO. So this is all about the risk warning, and here you can see the GetIO VIP fees. So for VIP 1 you need about 60,000 trading volume. For VIP 16 you need a 3 billion VIP 3 billion USD volume. For VIP 2 you need 1 lakh 20,000 USDT. So you can claim and you can achieve VIP 1 2 3 4 5 6 by make a huge volume in the future trade in the GetIO platform. And now I talk about the now I talk about sorry now I talk about the startup carnival. So for joining the startup carnival with referral your friend, you just go to any startup. You just go to the startup page, then click the startup page. Then here the startup is in progress. Then you can go any of the startup. I just go to the Lamina. Then and you see here in the invite and earn more, just click this area and you see that startup referral carnival. So you can also able some profit and some startup share by invite your friend to the startup referral carnival by clicking the invitation of friend. And you see that in the startup referral carnival, invite friend to register or participate in a startup for the first time to win more airdrop. By clicking invite now you can get your copy link in here, then just copy there and invite your friend. But there is three rule for invite friend. The first rule is share the exclusive referral link with friend to invite them to register or join startup subscription, and successfully for the first time they will be valid invite. So after you invite, then they can register in the get a startup subscription successfully in the first time. Then you can be a valid invite. And then how can you earn star from your invite? So for this, start are earned according to the daily trading volume of the valid invite within the 30 days. So if you invite a friend and this friend is make a huge volume in the future asset, then you can also earn star from your friend, and the more trading volume of your invite friend, the more star you can earn. And the last of all, the swap star for share. You can also swap about every 10 star can swap in the one startup share. For more star you can swap for more share. So what is the startup star? This is the startup star. It is the exclusive reward. It is an exclusive reward of the startup which can be used to the swap extra share to a VIP free airdrop, and every 10 star can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 star. To swap share for a project, you can swap share for as many project as you can every day. So this is the startup star. And there is some notice, and the startup notice or star redemption is unsupported for project with total subscription share less than 1000, and the redemption is only available for the startup airdrop project and in unsupported for non-airdrop project, then participants should adhere strictly to the event rule, and any form of cheating is strictly prohibited as will result in the immediately disqualify from receiving any prize. Then the fourth is the market maker companies and institutional account cannot be allowed to the participation in this startup carnival. And in the if there is an discrepancy between other language and the English version of the announcement, the English version shall prevail. And the last is user in the UK and other restriction cannot access all of the part, and the gateo has final right to interpret this event. So this is all about the startup carnival, startup referral carnival. You should join this. And finally, I talk about some ongoing startup project, and here there is mainly 10 progress. The first is rect coin, then bitcoin. So if you click the rect coin, you can claim this by hold 10 gt in your spot wallet, and you see that the rect, it is supported about 80,000 and progress is about 96,140, and the total USD raise is about 11 1 lakh, sorry, 1 lakh and 100 1 lakh 1,112. So it is a huge amount of gt share, and you see that. And VIP1, for VIP1 it is available by lucky draw. And this is all about the rect airdrop, rect startup. Then you see that the bitcat startup, this is also claimed by the hold gt, and supported is about 2,645. The progress is 2,62,000. The total raise of gt is 1,112. And the third is the aris is also by hold gt, and total supporter is about 2070, sorry, 27,000. The progress is about 3,67,000, and the total raise gt is 3,715. And you can achieve this token by hold about 10 gt and click this button. Then this is claimed by already claimed by easily. Then you see the lamina project is claimed by the $10 in your spot wallet, and I already claimed this, so I click the notification me, and I just click this notification me. And if you not entry in this lamina project, just hold $10 in your asset and just click this, then you can also entry in this lamina project. Then here is rwa project, which is rwa ins, and you can also participate in this by hold $10 in your sport wallet. And you see that s sticks you can also claim this by hold $10 in your spot wallet. This is the preheat stage, so there is no this is the preheat stage, so there is no supporter is not clearly shown. It is also a project which is hashkey platform token. It is also in the preheat, and it preheat finished after 2 days. and then and then here is the ready token, which is also in the preheat stage, and the pfx token also in the preheat stage. You can claim this by hold at least $10 in your sport asset. There is the mimify is also in the preheat stage, and you see that the total supporter is about 50,000, and the progress is about 3,77,084. Total gt ryzen is about 5000 5000 gt. So this trading start in is about 1 day and 3 hour. After starting this trading, you can claim your token in the Gate.io spot. this is all about the upcoming this is all about the upcoming startup project. And in my today's live session, I talk about the CrossFi project, which is a cross finance project. I hope you all understand this project. And Now I just close my today's project review because I am trying to cover the whole information about this CrossFi project. Then I also told you about the upcoming project, which is Rectoin, then Bitcat, ARS, Lamina 1, which is layer 1 protocol, then RWA, Stix, SKX, ACE-XK, ReDI, FTX, PFX, and Mimify. And here is the finished project of this. So this is all about my today's project review. Thank you for stay tuned with my project review class, and thank you everybody for supporting me. Goodbye everybody. I am again come back with a new live session. So stay tuned with me and love you all.